little artists! Today, get ready to climb to new artistic heights as we draw rainbow-colored 3D stairs. Are you excited to add some vibrant colors to your artwork? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker and scale, and let's begin our artistic ascent. Start by drawing the stairs step by step, beginning from the top and working our way down. Imagine each step leading to a world of creativity and fun. Let's draw a total of 3 stairs, each one more colorful than the last. Stairs are complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. This will give our stairs a defined and polished look, ready to showcase our rainbow of colors. And now, it's time to add some vibrant hues to our 3D stairs. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring. Indigo, green, purple, bottle green, blue, red, orange, yellow. Let's bring our stairs to life by starting with the red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Have it, a colorful staircase to new artistic heights. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more creative adventures, and share your fantastic artwork in the comments below. Until next time, keep on climbing and creating, little artists. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.